Welcome guys back to our channel. This video I'm gonna give you the lesson how to read and write katakana in Japanese, which is very necessary for the foreigners to learn if you study or work in Japan. Okay, here we go. This first line is R line, also R line. Here we can see the number 1, 2, which means the steps, how many steps we will finish this katakana. Okay, follow me. 1, 2. This is also in katakana. Next one, 2 steps. 1, 2. E. Next one, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. U. Next one, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, which is I. The last one of this line, also 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. O. This is O. Okay, let's review. I, U, I, O, I, U, I, O, I, U, I, O. Okay, now next line is car line. Car. Okay, let's start the first one. 2 steps. 1, 2. The difference between hiragana and katakana is here, there's no doubt. I want you to review the video which I gave you for the hiragana and check the difference between hiragana and katakana. Which one you need to make sure don't make confused. Okay? Okay, here is ka. Next one, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Ki. Third one, 2 steps. 1, 2. Ku. Next one, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Ku. Last one, 2 steps only. 1, 2. Ko. This line, car line. Ka. Ki. Ku. Ke. Ko. Okay, one more time. Ka. Ki. Ku. Ke. Ko. Ka. Ki. Ku. Ke. Ko. Ka. Ki. Ku. Ke. Ko. This is car line. Okay, next one, sa line. This line we call it sa line. Okay, first one, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Sa. Next one, also pay attention, it's not C, it's shi. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Shi. Here I need you to focus. It starts from down to up. xi, xi. Next one, si, si, 2 steps. Si, si. Next one, se, 2 steps. 1, 2. Se, se. Last one, so, 2 steps only. 1, 2. Here is they are on the same line. Same line is vertical. So, okay. This is sa line. Sa, hi, si, se, so. Okay, let's review. Sa, sa, hi, hi, si, si, se, se, so, so. Sa, hi, si, se, so. Sa, hi, si, se, so. Okay, this is sa line. Next, ta line. This is ta line. Okay, let's start from the first one. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. This is ta, ta, which looks like ku, but here is 1 dot extra. This is ta, ta. Next one, chi, 3 steps. Chi, 1, 2, 3. Chi, chi. Next one, ci, 3 steps. Ci, 1, 1, 2, 3. Ci, ci. Next one, tai, 3 steps. Tai, 1, longer line, 2, 3. Tai, tai. Last one, 2 steps. 1, 2. To, to. First one, ta, then chi, then ci. Next, tai. Last one, to. Ta, ta, chi, chi, ci, ci. Tai, tai. To, to. Ta, chi, ci, tai, to. Ta, chi, ci, tai, to. Okay, this is ta line. Okay, now the last line of this video, na line. The first 25, the last line, na line, na. Okay, now the first one, also 2 steps. Na, 1, 2. Na, na. Next one, ni, ni. 2 lines, but the next one is longer than the first one. Ni, ni. Third one, nu. 2 steps. 1, 2. Nu, nu. Next one, ne, ne. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ne, ne. Last one, 1 step only. No, just like slow. No. Okay, this is na line. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Na, ni, nu, ne, no, na, ni, nu, ne, no, na, ni, nu, ne, no. Okay, this is the first 25 katakana. Now we're gonna review from the first till now. Okay. I, u, e, o, a, i, u, e, o, a, i, u, e, o, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, se, so, sa, shi, se, so, sa, shi, se, so, ta, chi, te, to, ta, chi, te, to, ta, chi, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, na, ni, nu, ne, no, na, ni, nu, ne, no. Okay, this is all the first 25 katakana. I wish you can check my last video about the hiragana, which you can check the difference between hiragana and katakana. Please pay attention here, okay? Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you. Bye.